So let me tell you guys about my experience buying Origin jeans. I purchased these in the middle of December. They came a little bit after Christmas. Loved wearing them for about 2 weeks. They fit really good. They were a little bit short. These are a 30-30, but a couple weeks after wearing them, I was starting to notice my wife was like, hey, you got a hole in your butt. So you got a big rip in the jeans starting to form there. So I got a hold of HR, and they're like, you know what, we're going to send you out a new pair. Don't even worry about sending these back. It's fine. And I said, that's great. They were a little bit short. Could you replace it with a 30-32? The waist seemed to fit fine, but it seemed to be a little bit short. So they gave me the 30-32. You can see the difference in color here. Print isn't quite the same, but they are the same line of jeans. These are the Delta Flex by Origin. These were great and everything. Didn't have much of a problem, except you start noticing the pocket on this guy sticks out. So the pocket liner constantly pokes out on this one. That's how the pocket sticks out usually, as I just walk around. Shouldn't look like that. Should look more like that. I can't even pull that seam out hardly. Compared to this one, it just sticks out. But this is sticking out from the rivet, whereas you can see on this side, it's way inside. So as you're walking around, this pocket sticks out like that. So not very cool looking, kind of looks crappy. Again, I like the jeans, quality could be a little bit better on the stitching in a few different areas on here. But I was super excited with those, so while I was waiting for these, I ordered 2 more pair, and I ordered these 30-32. So these are 30-32. All 3 of these should be the same length, right? And these were a 30-30. But if we look at the length, on top of that, I noticed various different lengths, even though they were all ordered in the same length, same variety of jeans. They're all a little bit longer, like these are 32, but I'd be walking on these if I took my shoes off. How close does that look to you? I mean, we're even down here at the edge of the counter. These are long as crap. These fit perfect. I love the black pair. Don't have much of a problem with the black pair. These are a little bit longer than the black pair, so these are actually more like a 33-inch length. These are more like the 32, which they're a little bit longer than the 30. So this is a proper length. This is a little bit long. This is a little bit long. Just kind of shitty, right? And on these, the pockets are always wrinkled up. So you've constantly got this pocket wrinkle right there at the rivet, right? That's always bugging me. Every time you put your hand in, you're trying to smooth this thing out because it feels like your pants are bunched up. This side's kind of the same way. Now, the problem I have with these is the stupid fly wasn't sewn shut. It was sewn too close to the fly there. You see how close that is? So as I'm walking around, my fly sticks open like that. Nobody wants to see that all day long. Nothing I can do about it. It won't lay down because it's just sewn too close there. There's not enough of a flap to lay over to stay closed. Again, the stitching, really. I'm talking about quality control. We're looking right here where the bottom belt loop attaches. So they've sewn it through the pocket on this one, right directly through the pocket. Pretty even on that side as well. Black one right there through the pocket. This one through the pocket and the jeans, so it's off. That one's not even through the pocket at all. That was completely off. That one right out there at the edge. This one right at the edge again too. You can see 30-30, 30-32, 30-32, 30-32. And I thought I lost my keys one day because I have these different pants on. I put my hand down in here. Look at how deep this pocket is. It goes really far up in the hand, right? Same with the black ones. You get some pretty deep pockets in here. So you can put a lot of stuff in there, and then you get over to the blue ones, and that's it. That's it. You get a hand. You get a hand in the pocket on the blue ones, and that's all you get. You can see an obvious size difference between the blue pants and the black and the white pants. Huge pockets compared to these. It's kind of unusual that those are different too. Like, it's not just the size of the jeans, it's the size of the pocket, it's the distance of the sewn materials, just not lining up right. So yeah, I'm not a super happy shopper with Origin Jeans USA. I gotta tell you, this is a lot of money for 4 pairs of jeans, over $400. I didn't pay for those because they just gave me these for free because those were garbage. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna probably wear the black jeans. I'm not gonna wanna wear those because the pocket sticks out all the time and they're too long. The white ones, they're too long at the bottom down there and my fly sticks out, so everybody's always down looking at my junk. So probably not a big fan of these either, but the black ones I like. So I'll keep the black ones, wear them for work. Pretty happy about that. But I got this jacket from Origin. Love this thing. This is merino wool. This thing is so warm. Fits perfectly. This is a medium. It's a little bit tight on me. I'm about 170 pounds, 5'9". These arm lengths are perfect though because they're not too long and they're not dragging into anything that you're working on. This fabric is breathable, so you're not like sweating and getting really sticky while you're working. It's also like the super warmest thing. If you wear a raincoat over the top of this, you might as well be wearing a parka. So if you're buying Origin jeans and you have luck like me, just plan on buying 4 pair and sending 3 back, because I'm pretty happy with about 1. I'm super happy with their jacket. I'm gonna be getting another one of those. I was really bought into the whole storyline of Origin USA, and I really think it's a great company. I just really hope that they can figure out how to manufacture their jeans a little bit more consistently. What can I say? Their HR department was really good dealing with me and giving me money back or giving me a replacement set of jeans. I don't have any problem with that. The other 2 pair of jeans, I didn't tell them that I had any problems with them. So I'm wearing the black pair. The white pair are long, but I'm still gonna wear them. I know I'm not a clothing guy. I'm a home inspector. But there's a lot of people like me looking for good jeans out there and looking for good companies to work with that have a good storyline, that have a good motto, and that are made in America. That's why I reached out to Origin, and I wanted to use their jeans, I wanted to use their jacket, I wanted to use their clothing line. I really want to represent the whole Made in USA idea. So I spent the extra money to get some nicer quality jeans, and I got burnt. I would just recommend to you guys, just double check your stuff, fit it, wear it, make sure it fits properly, send it back if you have problems. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time.